Are you having printing issues? Are you getting some orders that print, some orders that don't print? Is this happening randomly? Is it happening periodically? Or is it just happening during certain times of the day? I'm gonna walk you through some troubleshooting steps on how you can minimize or eliminate that. Again, the printing for the online orders is heavily dependent on your internet connection and also you having paper inside. If you have no paper inside and if you have no internet, nothing's gonna print, nothing's gonna happen. So you have to make sure you have internet and you have paper. But if you have those two things covered and you're still kind of experiencing some internet issues, or sorry, printing issues, let's try a few things to solve that. The first thing to do is open the Smart Online Order app, press Settings, and then scroll to the bottom under Print Settings. You'll see an icon that says, when printing fails. It's asking you a question, what should happen when printing fails? And how does printing fail? Printing fails because you probably don't have internet connection. Printing fails because you ran out of paper. Printing fails because you something could have happened to your Clover, many different reasons. But just to kind of reduce that, we have an option built in for you. It gives you the option, try again after 2 minutes. So that's a great way for the online order or for the Clover to try again after 2 minutes. So let's suppose Bob orders a sandwich or something and nothing happens because your internet went out. So Bob's sandwich is going to be held in queue and it will try again after 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, if you still don't have internet, it won't print. But at least if you do have internet after 2 minutes, or if you filled in your paper roll after 2 minutes, it will print it out. So this is another step you can take to reduce or maybe eliminate online orders for not printing. So how do you do that again? You open the Smart Online Order app, press Print Settings, and go to When Printing Fails, and choose Try to Print Again after 2 minutes, okay? We have other troubleshooting videos for online orders not printing, or how to make a print correctly, or where to make a print. But this video is specifically designed for those of you that have bad internet connection or some kind of connectivity problems. And you can check your connectivity problem by doing the following. Go to the Help app by Clover. The Help app is the question mark. So you have to scroll here to find it. If you don't see it, that means that you're not logged in as an administrator. So make sure you're an administrator to see this icon. Again, it's called Help, right there, see it? Help. Once you go to Help app, press the 3 lines at the top left, and then press Diagnostics so that all your online orders will print timely and on time. So these are some of the troubleshooting steps that you can take to make sure that your connection is good and your printing prints on time. Thank you.